Hello student, welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to see the remaining part of chapter 3. So today we are going to see chapter number 3, animate, layers and animations. So in previous class we have learned about animate layers. So today in this class we are going to see the animate animations. Okay, so let's start. So first we are going to see the frame by frame animation. So frame by frame animation is known as stop motion animation. It is manipulating a physical object and making it appear to move on its own by shooting one frame, manipulating the object, then shooting another frame, and so on. So you can create the illusion of movement in the movie by changing the placement of the stage content from keyframe to keyframe. This animation is called frame by frame animations. Getting? Yes. Now next we are going to see adding the background in the layer. So when you start Adobe Animated, the first keyframe is selected in the layer by default. Okay, so we are going to see how to adding background in the layer. Then we are going to see adding contents to first keyframe of new layers, adding the second keyframe, moving the object slightly, then adding the third keyframe and playing back the movie. Okay, so all this thing we are going to see. Okay, getting how to create frame by frame animation? Yes. Okay, now we are going to adding a background in the layer. Okay, so this is our layer. In layer 1, here layer, it is a layer 1 and this is a keyframe. Okay, now we are going to add a layer. For that you have to click on file menu. In that you have to import. Okay, you have to import the image. Suppose here we are going to import the image that is underwater. Okay, we are going to import the image underwater. So we import this image in layer 1. Okay, after that adding this background in the layer. Okay, after that we can insert the timeline. Okay, we can insert the timeline. So here you can see I will click here. Okay, there. Okay, then we click the frame on the timeline to select keyframe location. Now I will click on the insert menu. Okay, I will click on the insert menu, timeline, and I will click on the keyframe. Okay, I will click on the keyframe. Now when I click on the keyframe, you can see this much. Okay, this much keyframe they have created. Okay, click animated created keyframe. Okay, we have created a keyframe for that animated. Getting? Yes. Okay, now we are going to add a contents to the first keyframe of new layer. So here we have created another layer. Okay, here you can see there is a layer we have created. Okay, in that layer we have arranged this fish. Okay, this fish. Okay, now see here, this is a layer. Okay, and here it is that is a keyframe, and we have added our fish. Now what we have to do, we have to click on this second layer keyframe. Okay, just click a right mouse button and click a insert key. Okay, click a insert key. While you click a insert key, you can see here our keyframe will moving. At the same time, what you have to do, you have to move little bit your fish. Okay, just move little bit. Okay, then like this you have to insert the keyframe, and whenever you are inserting the keyframe, at the time you have to insert this, you have to move your fish image also. Okay, every time. Okay, you have to move randomly like this. You have to move as per you are inserting the keyframe. Okay, getting? Now see here, that much keyframe you will insert, that much your fish will move. So like this, see, how much keyframe you will insert, it will, you have to move little bit. Insert keyframe. Okay, every time when you are inserting, you have to move your that layer to give the effect of animations. Okay, getting like this. Okay, now when you move this, okay, adding the layer, adding the third keyframe, fourth keyframe like this. Now the next, just move your this keyframe to the first one like this. Our image will move. Now just press the enter key. Okay, just press the enter key. Can you see? Yes, how our fish will move? Yes, again you can see here, just move your keyframe to the starting number, that is 0 FPS. Okay, when you press a enter key, okay, enter key, see our fish will start moving. Getting like this, it will work. Now the next is using twinning. So applying twin when you animate moving symbols. Okay, so it defines 2 points of movement in the timeline with 2 keyframe. It's let animate calculate all the in between frame necessary to get from first point to last point. Frame by frame animation manually input the changes made to each frame in the sequence. So what is a twin? So twin specify the first frame and the last frame and let animate calculate in between frames. So there are 3 types of twinning. So first one is classical twinning, second is motion twinning, and third one is the shape twinning. So first we are going to see the create a classical twinning. So in this, the classical twin, to animate between 2 frames we are going to see. Okay, now we are going to see the creating a classic twin. So to classic twin, to animate it between 2 frames. Okay, now see here, we have select the keyframe, okay, from classic twins. Okay, now what we want to see here, we have selected we have the layer 1 underground and layer 4 is our fish. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to select till what we want to our last frame. Okay, so where you want to include the twin. Okay, so select here till here we want to our twin. Okay, now after selecting this, you have to move how you want to move this image. Okay, so like this we will move the image. Okay, till this we will move the image. Okay, now the next step you have to do that, you have to in the middle of the frame. Okay, in the middle of the frame you have to select. Okay, you have to right click between the two keyframe, that makes you twin to select the frame. So here you have to in the middle, see the layer. Okay, layer 4, okay, fish layer, just make it middle. Okay, click here where you want the twin. Okay, just click here, create a classic twin. So when you create, they will give that do you want to convert and create a twin, so you have to click on OK. When you click, see that frame will get timeline, frame will get pink in color. Okay, pink in color. After that you just move that keyframe, okay, that blue one keyframe to the 0 point. Okay, that their time frame, just enter, see the fish will move. Yes, if you want to see, you can just go to the control also and test the screen. Okay, you can see how the fish is moving. Getting? So like this our twin will work. Okay, our classic twin will give you a classic twin effect. Okay, getting this? Okay. Now the next is creating a motion twin. So a motion twin is a feature that allows you to easily animate the motion of an object. Instead of defining the location of the object in every frame, you can create a motion twin which will automatically move the object from the beginning location to end location. Once the twin has been created, you can click on any frame within the motion twin and move or rotate the object. Animate automatically build a motion path, animating the frame between the first frame and the next frame. In order for animate to create the motion twin, you may need to convert the object to a symbol. So in motion twin, you can allow to easily animate the motion of an object. You can give the motion of the object. Getting this? How to create a motion twin? Yes. Now we will see it practically. Okay. Now we are going to see the creating a motion twin. Okay. This motion twin is a picture that allows you to easily animate the motion of an object. Okay. So it is defines the location of the object in every frame. You can create a motion twins which will automatically move the object from the beginning location to the end locations. So we have this image, okay, fish image. Okay, then again we have to see how much we want our frame. So this much we want our frame. Okay, then again select the middle point of that frame and just click a right mouse button and click on a creating motions. Okay, just click on a creating motion twin. So while you click on that, they will, do you want to convert and create the twin? You have to click on OK. When you click on the OK, okay, so see here that frame will get yellow in color. Okay, after creating that, okay, after creating, just move your image. Okay, just move your image like this. Okay, like this. Okay, can you see here? Can you see here the string will come there? Yes. So curve path will create a curve path in that. Yes, the path will appear on which the object will move. You can create a curve path for your object. So you see the dotted line, that there is a dotted, so that is the curve path. Okay, so like this we can do. Okay, so now when we give like this, now when we move the image to their initial position, now just click on the enter. See how our fish will move. See, can you able to see? Now what we will do, we just go to the control, okay, control menu, and we will test the screen. We will test the screen. Okay, now see how it will moving. Okay, so it will give a curve path to your animations. Okay, the object, while during a twin it will give a curve path to our object to follow during the twin. Getting what is a twin? What is the motion twin? Yes. Okay, now the next is creating a shape twinning. So you can use shape twinning to morph one shape to another. For example, you can morph a circle into a square. So shape twinnings can only be applied to shapes. So this shape twinnings you can, when you want to create this shape twinning, it can apply to any shape like circle, square, rectangle, polystar. Okay, like this shape it will use, you can apply. Okay, only shape it will apply on the shape only. Getting? Yes, now we will see it practically. Okay, now the next we are going to creating a shape twins. Okay, so in this layer, suppose we are making one shape. Okay, we are making one shape that is of polystar. Okay, we select the color will be the yellow color. Okay, now I will this shot. Okay, this is our polystar shape. Okay, now you can see here keyframe is there. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to move how much you want to move. Okay, so you can move that keyframe to, you have to select the frames. So here we have selected. Okay, just you have to right click here. Okay, right mouse button you have to click, and you have to click on insert a blank keyframe. Okay, insert blank keyframe. Okay, after inserting this, okay, then again you have to, you can choose any shape. Suppose I am choosing oval. Okay, and the red color of I will choose the red color for that oval. Now this I have chosen. Okay, like this I have drawn. Okay, now the next is I will move. Okay, now in the middle of between that frame, in the middle I will choose the middle between that frame. Okay, so I will choose here. Okay, and I will click right mouse button in the middle of the frame. I can move the keyframe. Okay, and I will click the right mouse button there and click on the create a shape twin. I will click on the create a shape twin. Okay, so they will ask me in the properties. Okay, they will ask me that classic eraser. Okay, and also the angular you want, which you want. Okay, if you want you can give angular like this, or you can distribute, you can take. So I will take angular. Okay, like this. Okay, then I will move this. After getting this, I will just enter the press. Now I will press the enter key. Okay, now I will press the enter key. Yes, can you see that how it will work? Yes, see how it will look, how it will get changes. Now we will click on the control menu. In that we will see the test screen. See how it will get changes, how that polystar get changes to a circle. Getting? So this is nothing but how the create shape twins will work. Getting all of you? Yes? Okay. So in this chapter, that is animate and layers and animation, in this chapter we have learned with how to work with the layers in timeline, like rename a layer, then we also see show and hide a layer, then also stacking layer, then we also learn about adding a guide layer, we also seen adding a mask layer. So all these things we have done with the layer. Then we also see how to create a symbols. Okay, symbols and instance, how insert an instance. Okay, all these things we have seen. Then the next we have seen is the frames. Okay, how to add a regular frame and adding a keyframe. All this we have seen. The next we have seen the frame by frame animation we have seen. In that we have added a background in the layer. Okay, then the next we have seen the twinnings. Okay, we also see using a twinning, and we use 3 types of twinning. Okay, like creating a classic twinning, creating a motion twinning, creating a shape twinning. So all these things we have seen this chapter. Okay, so here this chapter is over. Okay, so all of you have to revise whatever I have taught you. Getting? Till then, take care, and okay, and thank you.